A lot of startups come to me with the same question. Ameya, which platform actually brings clients faster? Cold email, LinkedIn, or Upwork? And honestly, I understand the confusion. You start something, it doesn't work, and you jump to the next, and before you know it, months are gone. So today, let's clear this confusion once and for all. I will give you a practical answer based on real results, not theory. If you're trying to get international clients, choosing the wrong platform is like taking the wrong road. You will still reach the destination, but it may take months longer. Each platform attracts a different kind of client, and each one works at a different speed. So instead of telling you use everything, let's look at the only 3 things that matters the most. How fast you get replies, the quality of those emails, and whether you can scale it. Let's start with the one that surprises most people, cold email, the fastest way to get meetings. When your cold email system is set up properly, it's the fastest way to reach decision makers. The beauty of email is that you are not limited, no connection limits, no algorithm, no profile approvals. You can directly reach founders, managers, and operational heads at a scale. But it only works if things are set up correctly. Your email domain needs proper warming, you need a targeted list, a simple offer, and a follow-up sequence that continues for 7 to 10 touches. Once this is done, you can easily send hundreds of emails a day. That's why cold email becomes a volume game. The more people you reach, the more meetings you get. For industries like BPO, staffing, contact centers, accounting, email is expected. These clients receive email pitches regularly, so your outreach doesn't feel strange to them and it feels normal. Now the second one is LinkedIn, slower but higher trust. Now LinkedIn works in the complete opposite way. You cannot send thousands of messages a day, but the messages you do send carry far more trust. The client sees your face, your company page, your post, your experience, and it immediately builds credibility. LinkedIn works extremely well for industries where trust matters the most. Accounting, virtual CFO services, recruitment, consulting, and specialized BPO niches. Well, but there is only one drawback, that it's a slower strategy. You may send 20 or 30 messages a day, and responses take time. But the people who respond are usually serious decision makers. They are more likely to get on a call, understand your offer, and convert. So think of LinkedIn as a quality over quantity. Hey, before we go ahead, I just want to take a quick moment to say this. I'm really happy to see thousands of people like you watching these videos, learning from them, and using these strategies to grow your business. But I also noticed something interesting. Only about 10% of viewers have actually subscribed to the channel. So if you have been getting value from these videos, if even one strategy has helped you think differently or improve your client acquisition, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel reach more founders like you, and it motivates me to create even more value-added content in the future. Alright, now let's get back to the video. In terms of service, Upwork can get your very first client the fastest because buyers or clients are already searching for your services. They are in a buying mode. But it comes with a heavy competition. You will be competing with freelancers at low rates, agencies with thousands of reviews, and people who are ready to grab projects at any price. So Upwork is great for your first clients, for building case studies, and for early cash flow. But it's not the best long-term plan if you want predictable growth. So now the question is, what should you choose? Here is the simplest way to think about it. If you want fast meetings, choose cold emails. If you want high-quality clients, choose LinkedIn. If you want quick, small projects, then try Upwork. And if you want a full long-term system, combine cold emails plus LinkedIn. Use Upwork only to build your confidence and portfolio. Use cold emails to scale, and use LinkedIn to close premium clients. Hey, in case if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on +91 9511 841 495, or you can also book my free meeting on my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Thanks for watching.